Alright, all loaded up, ready for test on the river. Test number 1. I got my bike, life jacket, paddle, and the trailer slash boat. Here we go. Test number 1 on the river. I don't have a lot of time. The sun sets in 1 hour. Going up the path 3.4 miles and then floating back down. It'll probably be dark by the time I get back. It's not too loud. Just slow me down a bit, but I need the exercise. The trailer's still attached. Okay, here I am arriving at the ramp, 3.6 miles away. Sun is about to set, but luckily I'm nice and sweaty, so the paddling will keep me warm too. Okay, there's my my bike on the boat, ready to go put it in the water. Here we go. Got the bike in the back. Got a life jacket. I got the bike is secured by this bungee cord. I got some I don't know, brackets or something. I don't know. I can't even remember. My brain isn't working. I just have to get on the water now. But anyway, everything is secured. So here I am floating down the Potomac. As you can see, it's pretty shallow. Current is pretty strong. There's rocks everywhere. All right, here's a look at my bike back there. So you can see how shallow it is here. That's how deep it is. A lot of clams and stuff. Cruising along with the current. Here I am on the Potomac, floating backwards because every time I stop and I pull out my camera, I start going backwards, or at least going in circles. So next time I'm going to put the tail fin in. Hopefully that'll help. It looks like the sun is about to set right now, and it's going to be getting cold. It was 62 when the sun was out. So I better keep paddling. But I've already attained a top speed of over, ooh, look at that. Over 5 miles an hour, which is pretty amazing. So the water is pretty clear here. You can see the bottom right here. This is a slow section. It's really deep. It's about 3 feet deep, which is pretty deep for the Potomac. So, not a lot of water in here. It's pretty dry. Here's my bike again. So my handlebar was dipping into the water, but I just tipped it. So now it's not dragging. I could use a bungee or something to keep it from going down. There's the one bungee. I have one bungee cord holding in my bike. But I guess that's all I need. sky out here. Well, there's Nolan's Island up there. I got to make sure I go to the left of that to get to my van and the ramp. I arrived. It's quite dark out here, but I did make it back safely.